What's up guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video we are going to jump right on into taking the deck off of the John Deere Z370R electric battery powered mower. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hop on the mower, lower that deck down all the way to its lowest setting, so down to the 1 1/4 inch. Let that mower sit down like that. Then we're going to hop off, and we are going to take the foot platform off of the mower just like this. All right, so next what we have is we have to undo a couple of electrical connections that go to each one of these deck motors. So on a normal gas mower, you would have belts that would go up to this deck, but on this battery powered mower, you just have wiring harnesses that go to two different connections here that go to the actual drive motor on the deck. So we need to relieve these two connections and also the connections on the other motor, and then we can go about the rest of removal on this deck. So the big connector here, this one's going to be very easy. We just have a thumb pull right here, raise that up, and then work this connector out just like so. Now on our second connector here, I would get a small little pick like I have here, as you're going to want to pull up on this red tab to get that released. Once you have that released, then we're going to push down here right in the center. That is going to relieve that connector just like so. And then we can set these up and out of the way. Then we can move to our rear connections. Just like that. Now, the rest of this removal is just as easy as that. We just have 3 points where we have to take pins off. So one is going to be over here on the left-hand side towards the rear. We're going to have this spring pin here that we need to remove. So just like this, one off here. Then we're going to raise up just a little bit here on the deck. Work that pin out just a little bit there with your pliers. Then we're going to do the same thing over here on the right hand side. Pull that pin out on the back side. And then lastly, we have one here at the front. Right there. All right, now whenever we are going to put this deck back on the mower, we are going to do everything we just did in reverse order. So starting with that front linkage, getting it put back in place, and we're going to move over here to the sides and get our side linkage put into place. But as you'll notice, once you've taken that deck off, the rod that was running down and pinned to your deck here is going to be raised up. So to get that back down, we have to pull up on our pedal. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that if I let off that pedal, it lets that linkage go back up. So there is resistance, but you have a way of locking that into place so that you can get this arm back onto the deck. And that is going to be on this linkage here. You're going to see a lock symbol and a little hole there with a notch in it, and then another one here in the frame. And what that's going to be used for is this tool right here that actually comes with your mower. You're going to use it as a lock to keep these linkages down into place when putting that deck back on. So we're going to grab our pedal here, get it pulled, and get our key into place just like that. And then once we have that locked into place there, that is going to allow our linkage to be let down so that we can reconnect our pin. Just like so. Then we can get our pin into place. Now, all we need to do is go ahead and go over to the other side, get that one hooked up, get our electrical connectors hooked into our motors, and then we're good to go. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask that you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're needing any John Deere parts at all, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.